Hello you all! It's almost Christmas and it means that it's time to unwrap some Christmas Happy Mails, and this one is made from Daisy, and we agreed to make each other a decoration piece especially for Christmas, and we wanted to give each other a little present. So I'm really curious about what she has made. She has a totally different style than I am making, but that's the beauty of crafts. I really like her crafts. It's always neat, it's always pretty. And especially her cards. Look at this one. She always makes them by herself. She also has a YouTube channel and I will link her below in the description box. There you can see what she's making, but she's really creative. Well, let's go. Believe in the magic of Christmas. Well, I do. Especially with the crafts. Really nice paper. This is something I'm going to use for sure. Oh, look at this. Super cute card. It's really heavy. It had lights. Oh, can you see it? Wait a minute. Let me fold this away so I can make it more. So that's better. Oh, look at this card. Really cute. Uh-oh. And now it's time for magic. Ah, look. So super pretty. Thank you so much. I really love this. I've never had a card with some light in it before. Amazing. Really, thank you very much. So, this already is a really cute decoration piece. Well, and of course a face sheet mask, which I always love. Thank you. This is a little present, maybe, I don't know. Let's open with this. Look at this really pretty wax. Really lovely. Beautiful Christmas colors. I love it. She is really good in making really pretty wax stamps. Thank you. We already made a video together of a Happy Mail together with wax stamps. And oh, I thought she was so good in it. Oh, look at this. Whoa, how cool is this? Happy Mail from Maaike with a QR code of my Instagram maybe? Oh no, never seen this before. Wow. Oh, this is really cool. Whoa, thank you very much. I will have to try it. Oh, I think this is amazing. I've got a big smile on my face. That's also a beauty of sending crafts. You never know what to expect. Everybody is so creative, so... Oh, I really love it. And this feels a little bit heavy. Almost like a card. Or, I mean, paper block. Oh, yes, it is. Minty papers. Oh, I've never had something of this brand. Is it minty or minty? Oh, let me see. It's like vintage. Really cool. I used to craft vintage a lot, but lately I don't do it anymore. But I still really like it. And look at this. Really sturdy paper. Lovely colors. Well, super cool, thank you. I can use it for sure. I think it's also really nice with some Maggie Holmes lines. Yep. Really lovely, thank you. Really cute. Beautiful paper, I can feel its quality. Thank you. And she made this really cool pen. Oh, thank you. I really like this. I already got more of those pens. I already have this one, but also so cute. I think it's so pretty. And I was already given another pen like this, but I gave it to my mother because she totally loved it. But yeah, I really like it. Thank you very much. Well, it says surprise candles and a beautiful message. Well, let's see. Dear lights, it says, these lovely lights have a special message for you. Unlight them, be a little patient and watch carefully. Okay. I really don't know what to expect. Or just a normal candle, or is there something written beneath it? No. Over here. Well, I can't show you, I'll have to light them. Well, thank you very much for watching. I really think this is a really cool mail. I've never received something like this before. So thank you very much. Thank you for watching, of course. And see you the next time. Happy holidays. Bye bye.